Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see what is real-world use of a copy constructor in C#. The copy constructors will be used when reusing the existing values in the created objects to create a new object. Usually we will do the object copying through the following code. Class A, object 1 equal to new class A. So if you want to copy the object 1 properties and the data to another object, we'll simply create class A object 2 equal to object 1. But this code will not work as expected if the developer wants to work differently with obj1 and obj2 for two different operations. As this code will copy the reference of the object 1, that means whatever the changes made to any of the two objects will affect both the objects or all the objects which is copied. This is where copy constructors comes in help. If you want to create an object for a class with existing object values, and only if you want to change some values, the copy constructor will help you. The copy constructor technique is not provided by .NET, but we can write one by ourselves. This type of special constructor will take the parameter as object of its type. In this example, we have a simple sales rep class, which will have one constructor which will accept the visiting doctor and visiting doctor address. We are adding a copy constructor with the same name, sales rep, and we are adding as a parameter this object as a parameter and sales rep and sales rep ID with the sales rep address. And in the main function, we are creating object for three different doctors. One is for Dr. A Delhi, and another one is for Dr. B Mumbai, and another one is for Dr. C Bangalore. Additionally, we are creating one dictionary object with int and string called sales rep details, and we are randomly adding the rep ID with the current location for the representative. As a next step, we are proceeding to create a list of sales rep objects, and we are reiterating through the sales rep details of the dictionary what we have created earlier. So while checking if the sales rep details is, if the sales rep is available in Delhi, then we are proceeding to create an object by passing the object of DRA underscore object. If you remember, we have created the Dr. A object who is present in the Delhi already. So we are passing that particular object into this constructor to proceed to create a different object for this thing. The same way we are proceeding to create it for Mumbai and Bangalore to create a set of object and to bind the sales rep with the doctors. If you run the program, we can see the output as sales rep with ID living in the address Delhi, visiting the Dr. A who is living in Delhi. The same way sales rep with ID who is living in the address Mumbai, visiting the Dr. B who is living in Mumbai. So ideally we are mapping the sales rep with the doctors using this particular copy constructor concept. I hope this video has explained you the real world use of copy constructor in C#. I hope this helps you also. Thanks for watching.